Today's lesson is going to be about labeling your prints. Now first, you're going to want to select the best prints to turn in for your assignment. Here I have all 5 of my prints. I'm going to look through which ones have the best quality. So, what I'm looking for out of my 10 prints that I started with is even application of ink, that both images are centered upon each other and also centered on the page. So first thing I'm looking for would be the quality of inking. And right away I can tell that this one was not inked up enough. And I would have to say that between these two, they didn't quite get enough of the turquoise ink here. So I'm going to put them on the side. And so I'm looking for my best 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here, in comparison to the others, it's got a lot of yellow, so that one I'm going to move over to the side. And now here's what I am left with. Looking for evenly inked plates. I'd say it's between these two here. As far as the centering's about the same. It's got some salt and peppering here happening on the bottom, but I'm going to go with this one because here I got a little bit of ink on it and I don't want that to be one of my final 5. So here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I'm ready to turn in, and this will make up my series so that I can receive my grade. Now before I turn them in, what I'm going to have to do is, number 1, label each one of them on the back. So on the back I'm going to want to print my name. Okay, so I'll put B on each one of them. Okay, so I'll let you see. Write your name on each print. Print your name on the back. All right. Because your signature, people may not be able to read your signature, and should your artwork get into circulation, you probably want people to know who the author is. I'm just writing my name on my last one. So I've put my first initial and last name. Okay. Now, in printmaking, what you're going to be doing is labeling your work down here on the bottom. Typically, or the way I would like it to be done, is you're going to put your edition number here, the title, and then your signature. So, here's how it goes. This is going to be print number 1 of 5. The title of my piece is going to be Taco, and my signature is going to go there on the side. Okay, I'm going to zoom in for the next one so you can kind of see what's happening. So I got my edition number, the title, and then my signature. My second one is going to be 2 out of 5. I'll handwrite my title there, and then signature, lower right hand side. Next one, 3 out of 5. Title, signature. Okay. 4 out of 5. Title, taco, signature. You want to make sure that your writing, it's underneath or it's in line with your frame, so that in the case it is matted, that it will be aligned with your image. And this is the last one, 5 out of 5, the title and signature. Okay, so 5 out of 5. Oops. I've got edition, the 5th print out of edition of 5. I have the title and I have my signature. Now what you can also do is you can put the year when you produced it. Okay, you could also put that 2019, 4 out of 5. Put it under my. Okay, so then what I would do next, I would turn these in to the instructor on the due date. Turn those in. Now, what am I going to do with all of these varieties or versions? Now these are still definitely usable or workable. You could sell these. Maybe collectors prefer these instead of the actual edition. So what you would do, instead of having a series, these would be called unique variations. Okay? So the way that you would denote that it was a unique variation, right, you put it here, U-V. Still put taco, the title, and then you can put your signature. And this is a unique variation. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I'm going to say I'm going to do 3 unique variations. So they're a little bit lighter. That's the uniqueness. So I'll go UV 1 of 3. This next one will be UV 2 of 3. And the third one will be UV 3 of 3. Put my title and my signature. Title, signature. Title, signature. All right, so these aren't as good, or they're not as uniform as my edition of 5. Okay, so I turn this into the teacher. I have these that I can keep or sell or trade with others. And now I have 2 more, okay, that I can do whatever I want with these. I could do, these could become individual artworks. I could take another block with another color. Maybe I'll do silver on these. And then these would be one-of-a-kind monoprints, okay? Monoprint. And so we would label them 1 of 1. And it would be the taco. And down. And this would be 1 of 1 taco. They're not ready yet. I'm going to put a layer of silver over these, and then maybe this one might be a layer of a different color. Okay? Get that done. So here we have our original plate inked up with a silver third color. And so this is going to make it a unique variation. I want to make sure I've got my plate evenly inked up. So holding my Lino block here. I'm going to register. Press down. Oof. Uh-oh. All right, so it's okay. Press down, get it on there. So I got a little adhesive on the back of my desk that I forgot to take into consideration, but because it's a third color, I think it'll be fine. And it's not a real dark value. It's just gonna put like maybe a little bit of a sheen or a sparkle onto these unique variations. I believe we got, okay, so. Definitely a unique variation. Might be a little bit heavy on the ink. It's getting a little bit of muddying up in there, but that's kind of what the way the plate is. I'm going to do one more. Okay. Horizontal, vertical, diagonal. Here it is. So here, I'll make sure I got the right one. It says 1 of 1. See that? 1 of 1. I'm going to put this part down. Got my plate inked up. I'm going to register and align. Create a vacuum. Pick it up. A little bit of pressure. And I think this is going to be the one. Let's take a look. All right, so here are my unique variations. And I could say that, okay, this is a 1 of 1. It's a lot heavier on the silver. This one's a lot lighter on the silver. Okay, you can see that reflection on the video. But definitely some different take on our original series. Some people may want the original. Some may want a little bit of a lighter. And some of the customers may also want something that's got a little bit of a special treatment. So That's how you go about numbering and labeling your prints. Good luck.